Hey y'all, I have not vlogged in a minute. Watch me delete these like I do every time I film a freaking video. Okay, so basically tomorrow is a sort of busy day. My friend Taylor's birthday. So we are going to the beach. I'm so excited. We are going to the beach tomorrow with our group of friends, except a few people are out of town. So yeah. I think we're also going to a car show tomorrow, which I'm so excited about. Also, I love these glasses. I don't know why I like them so much. They're from like a costume I wore when I was like 5. Yeah. It's me. I'm probably gonna shower. I can't shower tomorrow morning. Unless I wake up really early, which I don't want to do. Like, I'm not about to wake up at 5 to shower. Maybe we'll shower tonight. Okay. So, oh, yeah. So, I might wear it just because it's, like, super modest and, like, I want to cover up my body, you know? So, it's, like, this, like, high-waisted thing with, like, this top. I don't hate this top, but I don't love it because literally it's nothing. We're gonna wear that one. Okay. It is so cold here for no reason. I need to pack like a sweatshirt. I honestly don't know how long we're gonna be at the beach for. Okay, here are the shorts that I'm gonna wear. They have a stain on them on the back. Okay, we're gonna need some sunscreen. I literally just walked outside because my mom came home. So I walked outside and guess what she got us for dinner? Chick-fil-A, yay. We got Chick-fil-A. We just got done eating Chick-fil-A. I don't really know if I'm gonna film at the car show. I might. I'm not really sure though. Yeah, and then I also lost my phone in the couch, so that was fun. I think we're gonna go home. We're watching the baseball game. I have a project that was due today, but I'm gonna turn it in on Sunday because that's like the last day we can turn it in. So when we get home, I'm gonna watch the rest of the game, and then I think I'm gonna do like one assignment for that project, and then I'm going to maybe take a shower. I don't really know. We just got home and I took out the trash and I rolled over my foot, so now I'm in pain. Good morning, everyone. I forgot to vlog this morning, sorry about that. About to get our car and then we are heading off to the car show. We're in. I matched the car, brown and yellow. Brown and yellow. Yeah. It's 9:04. You can hear the cars going. We were just wiping it off real quick. Right now we're the last ones here and I think we're gonna leave. We're just packing up everything because we like had a little picnic. They're packing up. Right now we're at Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby! We got all the stuff. It just got so windy. Okay guys, we're here.
Birthday day! Let's go to the beach.
Okay, we're going right now to the beach. Right. Yeah, I'm here. Here's Kayla. Hi. That's Taylor, obviously. Huh?
I'm waiting for her in the bathroom. Oh, gotcha. That's, never mind. I know.
We're at the beach.
Someone just playing on your stuff?
Ready, let's go. Okay, so I went in for like 5 seconds and then got out. This is Aspen. They're playing Spikeball. We're chilling. Hey guys, we're at the beach. We're eating cookies.
Okay, I need to take my shorts off so it's gonna. No. Hi vlog. I look like a shoe head.
That's what I look like.
Everybody for themselves. Yeah.
We're vlogging. Whoa, that's so cool. Where? Okay. We're at Taylor's hotel room.
Look at what I can do. I can make thumbs up with my toes.
We're at a beach house,
Rachel, who?
and I'm going home, and Taylor's in the shower.
Oh, yeah.
And Wave
Taylor's Rachel.
and Jules right there.
Hi. Thumbs up.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe. And yeah, thanks so much for getting to the end of this video. Much appreciated. Bye.